The winter session of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council commenced today, the 19th of December 2024. In a unanimous move, the council passed a resolution opposing the establishment of the Investment Meghalaya Agency (IMA). The resolution, tabled by Chief Executive Member Panchayat Singh Sem, emphasized that if the state government intends to proceed with the IMA, it must first consult with traditional heads and the KHADC. During the question hour, opposition members raised several queries concerning revenue collection, professional tax and grants disbursed by the KHADC for the current financial year.
Script committee ada consumption khabela sanpuan hajar dan kebetulan jom itu ki members ki badai benjok ni kenika kan but katungan ni sanction would be member in your athletic school hakaweka constituency
ka ni kucing kendi ga education nakabang ya ki provision nakabita pangyarap ya ki primary school district ba bon na penjoki bo patyo ka grant or teachers grant na ka state government di labo ki provision ba ka coba ba sanction ba khatwe la sanction ba rajakan di masuk ke aktif memang bon pak school konstruksi di bupati district government di ketika provision tekan mengharap maksudnya cara san katoi san
Chairman sir, dalam kumba dalam maklan statement kamera dalam maklan akhirnya kesidang aja aku sah pusat bila budget kumba aku sangat nak kalian jualan sebenarnya pulang kita asli Henry di persian pada kalian department of education Henry ke kebahatam kebanyakan yarap se yang school kebahatam kam shisha nak kalian budget kepala mah de yang seperti iki members dulu bah dia isi karai bah ada kafan baidai bah kadi kapiak nama bapak di grant abidik education budget Yishim om naka central fund dari grant proyek nasional dia, jadi yishim ya kini berbentuk di school, berhai di school berkam, nak kini revenue bagi orang di dalam di, mereka itu berkata mesti macam ya kepada orang ya rapulan di school, sebab dan berkam sisa nak kini bisa dapat beli